In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert local sales on Facebook Marketplace successfully, especially when you're starting with the common inquiry, is this available? We'll dive into a few essential steps to not only boost your response rate, but also to ensure a smooth transaction process, keeping both you and the buyer happy. Now, first things first, whenever you receive a message asking if your item is still available, make sure to reply quickly and politely. A simple yes, it's still available is the perfect start. Fast responses not only demonstrate your professionalism, but also help build trust with potential buyers. A quick reply reassures them that they are not wasting time and you're genuinely interested in making the sale. Next, it's important to guide the conversation. Instead of just a simple yes, you want to add a prompt for the next step. For instance, you might say, "Yes, it's available. Do you want to pick it up today or tomorrow?" Or, "Yes, available. I'm near the central downtown area. When would you like to come by?" By doing so, you lead the buyer toward making a commitment sooner rather than later. Transparency goes a long way in maintaining the confidence of your potential customers. Make sure you share details about the item's condition, whether it's new, like new, or used, and mention any extras it might come with, such as a charger or if it's freshly cleaned. Buyers appreciate straightforward sellers, and clear communication about the item's condition can make a significant difference. To encourage buyers to act quickly, it's advantageous to create a sense of urgency. You could say something like, "I've had a few messages about this, so if you're interested, I'd recommend grabbing it soon." Creating urgency nudges potential buyers to make a decision faster, preventing them from lingering too long and possibly losing interest. Ensuring safe and easy pickup is another crucial element. Suggesting a neutral and convenient location, like a nearby mall or even a police station parking lot, can enhance the buyer's confidence that the transaction will be safe and straightforward. Local sales are always more successful when buyers feel both secure and accommodated. Lastly, offer your buyer multiple options for closing the deal. You might say, "Yes, it's available. Would you prefer cash pickup? Or I can also accept digital payments through Gcash, PayPal, or Venmo if that's allowed locally." Providing different payment options makes it simpler for the buyer to commit and often inspires trust, especially when cash isn't their preferred payment method. With these strategies, you'll be equipped to take your Facebook Marketplace sales to the next level. By fostering trust, guiding the conversation, and making the transaction process as seamless as possible, you're ensuring a positive experience for both you and the buyer. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you achieve more success in your local sales journey.